Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a button to Card.co website. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are using Card.co to actually go ahead and create their website. How do you actually go ahead and add a button? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So what you're first going to do is go onto Card.co. And this is an example website that I went ahead and created. The next thing that you're going to do is that you're going to click this plus icon that says add an element and click add an element and then click on buttons. So once you do so, this is an example of a button where it says see case studies. You could actually go ahead and edit this button by clicking on the drop down menu, and you can edit the label. You can edit the position of the button, and you could also allow it to link to different URLs and such. But once you're done, just click on done, and there you have your button. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add a button onto your Card.co website. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.